All right. Well, I'm going to head over here to the garden patch that failed this year because we just didn't do what we needed to do. And off in all the jumble of weeds over here is some pepper plants. And what I'm going to try to do is get these little tomatoes and what peppers I can find. Now, these little bitty pear tomatoes were volunteer. Um, they refuse to go away. They're delicious too, by the way. But I don't think these peppers are gonna be any good. That ones are real soft. Might have waited too long on the peppers. I don't know. But we didn't have energy and we didn't have a lot of help, and so I think the frost got the peppers, but we're gonna take them in. And she's gonna make the decision what she can use, what she can't use. Yeah, I think that one froze too. That one did. You can't see it. There's more tomatoes than there is anything. I hope this video is making right. If I don't hold the camera just right, it goes stupid on me. Gets all sideways and upside down. Everything. I keep grabbing green ones. Let's see here. They're in there. My depth perception is for squat. Yeah. Oh, we'll end up with tomatoes next year. Volunteering off of this mess. Yeah, it's fine. Next year we're gonna have a garden in a different spot. And hopefully we'll have a little more production. But I work 40 hours and she works 40 hours, and well, we just end up losing our stuff because we just can't get to it. Yeah, those all soft, they all froze. Yeah, this will be the final harvest. See a big old black one down in there. That's not a bad looking one. I don't know how many of these are gonna be good. She'll tell me though after I take them in. She'll tell me what she can use and what she can't use. She wants to use them for unstuffed peppers. But there won't be no more coming off this patch. Oh, is that tomatoes? Yeah, those are tomatoes. Ooh, cool. Okay. Little green ones, a little bit green, but I'll take them in. I don't know if I'm showing it to you or not. I think I am. Oh, I gotta back up. I missed some tomatoes. I used to do fried green tomatoes when I was a kid. Well, they did try. They didn't let the weeds stop them from trying. Back up over here. Get a few of these. Yeah, it's almost over though. How many they all over there in the yard? And I didn't see a lot of hornworms this year either. So, anyway, I saw a pepper over here. Did I see a pepper? Yeah, but he's all dead. I think he's all dead. Yeah, he's all dead. And we got over here on this side, and here we got sweet potatoes. Gotta come back in here and get them out of there too. Then we got, we just lost the garden to the weeds. There just wasn't much we could do about it. You get behind, then you can't get caught up. So that's what happened there. We had sweet potato vines getting all the way out here, and they got eaten down by the deer. Yeah, we thought we lost them, but we didn't. I was using a piece of flashing that goes on top of the barn. I was using it to hold the drip hose so the water was actually going into the garden instead of the walkway. We tried to do some Irish potatoes. I think the weeds drowned them out. Cabbage trying to grow. But I'll take all these beds down. We'll move them. These all end up going to the new garden spot. Yeah, not much of a harvest there. I don't think it would take long. We'll go down here to the other side. Let's see what we got on tomatoes. I'll take a picture of it later and stick it in here maybe. That looked pretty. This is the tomato trellis here. We'll take it down. We'll use it in the garden when we bring it in. But we got some little black tomatoes here. Forget what they call it. Atomic grape. I don't remember. They don't feel like they're gonna do anything. I tried some. They didn't work out for me. They're too green. All these tomatoes, none of these gonna make it. They're still blooming though. They're still blooming. You know, that's the thing about it. You put a plant in the ground and it's gonna grow if it can get the light. It'll flourish if you can actually give it the attention it needs. But yeah, they're just plants. They didn't really produce anything because we just couldn't keep to it. Down here was a tomatillo, or whatever the hell it's called. But they didn't make anything. But I'll end up taking this fence down. We'll use it in the garden, in the new garden. Okay. I went out the garden picking out stuff and I got back to the house and Mrs. said, "Did you check the pears?" Oh, yeah. Let me check the pears. We got all this fence down out here, so it makes it easy to get in here. I do have to come back and get it all cleaned up. We had an apple. We had an apple too, but it didn't make it. It swiveled up on us though. Oh, God damn it. Hit. Yeah, I did. I thought I didn't hit the button. Yeah. But anyway, we had an apple, but it swiveled up on us. Okay, pears. Let's see what we got going on down there. Okay, got all these pears. I made sticks for them to hold the limbs up because they wanted to lay on the ground, so I made sticks for them. So we got a slew of pears. I think I'm gonna just pick them. They're gonna be hard, but I think I'll just pick them. Because they're gonna get frost damage, I think. We can make pear butter out of them or something, I think. I don't know if we can make anything out of them or not. But drop one. I have to get him. That's a weird shaped pear. Huh, I'll take him. Oh, some of them fell off the tree when I was moving stuff around and ended up rotting on the ground. Guess he wasn't ripe. He didn't want to come off the limb. Oh, I don't know. They might still make pear butter or something. We'll find out, I guess. All right. That's basically that.